Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you some f2l tricks for the both corner and edge pieces in the top layer. So let's get started with it. So in top layer, generally two pairs are made like this, but they are incorrectly paired. So I'm taking sample of this orange and blue f2l pair. See, as you can see, both are incorrectly placed, connected with each other. But as you can see that if this edge piece matches with this centerpiece on this right, like this one is matching with this blue and blue is on my right. So for this algorithm for this is R U2 R prime U prime, which brings this to the normal f2l like this, and then you can do it like this R U R prime. So this is solved. Let's move on to our next case. So in the next case, these two are paired, but this edge piece is flipped. That means it's a bad edge piece. So what you have to do is, if this is like this, you have to do a U move and then do the algorithm which I'm telling you. Or you can say this not algorithm, this is in safely what to say that. Leave it. I'll tell you the algorithm. So you will do R U prime R prime, which brings the corner piece here, and then do a U prime move, which brings the edge piece here, and then sexy move 2 times and then paired it up. Let's move on to our next case. So our next case is this one. It might seem similar to the previous one. It's similar but not the same. The only difference is that the corner piece, the last f2l pair was like this and this is like this. So if you bring it here, you can see the difference. So for this, you have to do is first keep them like this and do a R U R prime, and then bring this edge piece here so that it matches with this center, and do a sledgehammer. In case you don't know a sledgehammer, that's R prime F R F prime. So do a sledgehammer, and then this got paired up. You can insert it in your own way as you wish, and this got paired up. So our next f2l case, a bit tricky one. As you can see, this edge piece matches here, and this corner piece twisted in this direction, in which white color is faces right side. So for this, you might have think you can do U R prime U R, but that breaks up the back right slot, which is our red and blue. You can do that and solve it if the back right your isn't made, but I'll tell a better solution. You have to, in starting you have to do a small degrip, but then that doesn't cost much. Or you could do, there are 2 solutions. First I will tell one. So first solution, without the degrip one, you can do R U R prime, which brings the corner piece solved here and the edge piece here, and now you can solve it like this, normal one, paired it up and then solve. And in next case, so again back to our case, and the next solution will be that you have to do a F prime move and then a U move and then again a F move and then do a U2, so that these two got paired, and now insert them and got inserted. So let's move on to our last case. Let's see what our last case is. So our last case is this one, already paired. These two are already paired, you have to insert it. So I'll tell a trick here. If your hands are like this on the cube after solving all the pairs, then you can use R U prime R prime like this. But if your hands are like this, means if this finger is here, then you could also use sledgehammer in order to avoid regrip like this. So these were all the f2l tricks I wanted to tell you today. We'll back a new video with new f2l tricks with different cases. So goodbye, take care, meet you in next video.